is super special because we are here at Smart Superstore in Koramon, Thane. A place that brings all our retail management concepts to life.
Exactly. We have all studied retail strategies in class, but now it's time to see them in action. So be ready. We are covering all 9 points in today's vlog.
The retail strategy defines retail format, target market, and competitive advantage. The target market here is middle class families who want affordable shopping with convenience. The retail format used here is supermarket style, as they've got groceries, fresh food, clothes, and bags all under one roof. And the competitive advantage? Definitely low pricing and variety. Competitors can't easily copy Smart Bazaar's scale-up discounts. That's why shoppers keep coming back.
You know what's easy? Copying discounts. But what's difficult is building a sustainable competitive advantage. Smart Superstore does that in 3 ways. 1. Customer relationship. It offers one difference deal, festive offers, and customer programs. Second comes supplier tie-up, exclusive vendors programs, and also deals bulk. Third comes operational efficiency. You can see the billing counter is fast and the shelves are refilled quickly.
Growth is the heart of retail, and Smart Superstore uses all 4 growth strategies. First is market penetration, more discounts, cross-selling, and ensuring more customers visit the store. Market expansion, expanding from metro cities to small cities. Retail format development, mixing online and offline. Placing an order through the app or collecting the order from the store. Diversification, as you can see, it doesn't only sell clothes but also sell gadgets and homeware. So basically, it's not just growing, it's growing from every direction.
Imagine Smart Bazaar goes global. The benefits would be higher sale, better brand recognition, and better supplier bargaining power. But the challenges will be huge too. Different cultures, language barrier, and legal barriers. So for entry strategies, Smart Bazaar would go for direct investment or franchising. Like big players like Walmart expanded their franchising.
Retailers don't just run randomly, they plan. Smart Bazaar's mission is clear: affordable products in variety. They conduct a SWOT analysis. Strength is scale, weakness is thin profit margin, opportunities is digital expansion, and threats is tough competition. And then comes strategy mix, like product variety, promotions, and offers. Then they evaluate and adjust. The SWOT analysis helps in discount changing. Ever noticed how the discounts change weekly?
Location is everything. Smart Bazaar here inside Koram Mall is a planned retail location. That means high footfall, strong customer visibility as it's between Zudio and Max, and consistent customer flow. Families here come outside to watch movies, eat outside, and end up shopping here. It's a classical example for choosing the perfect location strategy fit.
Before opening a retail store, retailers check the parking facility, visibility, tenant, cost, etc. Koram Mall is the perfect spot where you have huge brands, huge parking lot facilities, and visibility and accessibility. And that is why it is known as a cumulative attraction, where one brand's benefit the presence of other brands.
So how do they calculate sales? There are 3 methods. Regression analysis by using past data, analog method by comparing to other stores, and Hub's gravity model by calculating probability of the people visiting the store is depending on the store size and the time taken to reach the store. Looking at this rush, I'd say Smart Bazaar sales are smashing predictions. Maybe they should use the Ashkal shopping mall store instead, where it always sale. I always overshop.
Now comes the backbone, the supply chain management. Smart Bazaar ensures products in the right place at the right time. Benefits, strategic advantage, systems that no other competitors can easily copy. Better product availability, can you notice there are no empty shelves? And higher return on assets. Effective stock management leads to less wastage. They use data warehousing to track their sales, EDI for electronic vendor communication, and vendor managed inventory, where the supplier restocks directly. This is why Smart Bazaar runs so smoothly even during festive season.
And that's how Smart Supermarket brings all classroom concepts to real life, from retail strategies to supply chains.